What's up guys, it's Jude. In today's video, I will show you how I made 28 million Naira on Binance right here in Nigeria. This is actually a sequel to the video I made on 10 ways to make money on Binance. In that video, I showed 5 out of the 10 ways. In this video, I'll talk about the remaining 5 ways. The number 5th way is how I made 28 million Naira from Binance. If you have not watched the first video, click on the card above or in the description box where I left the link, then watch it and come back to continue watching this video. I will ask one thing of you before we get started, which is, if this video gives you value and you learn something from it, give it a thumbs up. It is really important because it helps me to understand the type of video you like so I can make more of it. Also subscribe to the channel if you have not, pin down the bell icon, and let's get started. The number 6 way to make money on Binance is through Binance Staking. So if you come to the end section on Binance, right, you see staking here. So for the Binance Staking, you can see different coins that you can stake: FTM, ACA, Lever, and so on. When you click here, you can expand it to show more of them. There are lots of them, right? For the staking for FTM, for example, you earn 18.7% APR if you stake for 120 days. For 60 days, you earn 15.6%, but you can see this is already sold out. For ACA, it's 120% for 7.73%. Lever is 19.69% for 90 days. For 60 days, it's sold out on 12.49%. 30 days is 9.67%. And you can just click here to stake. First, you have to buy the coin from the spot market, have it in your spot wallet, then come here and stake that particular coin. Now, there's another one, which is this airdrop BTC. So if you're staking STS, you also get 15% in Bitcoin airdrop. So that is the 6th way. The 7th way to earn on Binance is a dual investment. Dual investment helps you to either buy a coin at a low price or sell it at a high price on a settlement date while earning interest on your coin within that period. Did you get that? Now, you can pause this video and replay what I said if you didn't get it. However, let me explain further with an example using the sell high option. Today is 12th of August. Let's say the settlement date is on the 12th of September. You have Bitcoin and the price of Bitcoin today is $24,000. On the settlement date, it is anticipated that Bitcoin price will hit $26,000. So you went ahead and subscribed to the dual investment. Once done, you cannot withdraw your Bitcoin until that settlement date. On the 12th of September, if Bitcoin hits $26,000, it will be sold and be sent to you plus additional APY it has accrued. If Bitcoin did not hit $26,000, you will get your Bitcoin back plus the additional APY it has also accrued. Now, let me share my screen with you to show you how this is done. So from your homepage, you go to earn, you see dual investment, you click on it, and it's going to bring you here. You can also watch this tutorial video to know how dual investment works. So you can invest in this coin, Bitcoin, ETC, BNB, Sol, and the rest. You can click here to see the rest of them. Now, let's say we click on Ethereum. So you have this option, sell high. You can say buy low, buy low. So this buy low is with what? Theta. This buy low is with BUSD. So what this means is that these are the settlement states. You have 16th of August, 19th of August, 26th of August, and so on. So you can choose, let's say I choose 26th of August. It's saying here that, and I choose the sell high option. Our target price is $1,900 for Ethereum, and the API is 120. So if I go ahead and subscribe, if I have Ethereum, I go ahead and click on subscribe. I will enter my Ethereum here. What happens is that On these dates, which is the 26th of August, if Ethereum gets to $1,900, it will be sold. I will receive the money in what? USD, in BUSD, and also a 120% APR. That is it. The other option is to also buy low. So if I choose the buy low, and this is a tag, and I choose the settlement date of say 26th again, it means that these are different prices, right? Say I believe that Ethereum is going to drop to this amount, so I'll just use my BUSD and click on subscribe here. So what happened is that if Ethereum falls below 1,850, it will be bought. So I'll receive the Ethereum plus additional 98% APY on my BUSD. If it didn't get there, I'll get back my BUSD plus additional 98.3% APR. I hope you get this. The eighth way is the Auto Invest. It is a DCA strategy. DCA is dollar cost averaging. You can even call it pounds cost averaging, or Naira cost averaging, or CDs cost averaging. Just put your local currency and add cost averaging. With this strategy, you can buy a coin every month or every week over a period of time, irrespective of the price of the coin. This is a method I used to make 14 million Naira from 20,000 Naira monthly over a period of 3 years. I made a video about it, documenting the process. I will leave the link to the video in the description. What Binance Auto Invest does is that it automates the process, the DCA strategy for you. To get started, go to the end section, then click on Auto Invest. When you are here, these are the coins you can auto invest in. So let's say I want to go with Cardano ADA, right? So I can click on Create Plan. Then here I can choose the recurring cycle. So we have daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Let's say I want to choose weekly, and I can choose a specific time. So maybe on Tuesday at 6 a.m. This is when I want this action to take place. Then I'll enter the amount that I want to be used to buy the Cardano every Tuesday every week. So let's say I want to enter $15. That's what I want to use to spend. So all I need to do is to make sure that every week I have at least up to $15 in my spot wallet. Then I'll click on agreed, I click on confirm. Then this plan will be created. Every week, $15 will be taken from my spot wallet, used to buy Cardano, and send to the saving account where I will earn additional APR from it. Now, if I click here to check this, it's simply saying that if it happens that I don't have $15 here, it should redeem the money from my flexible savings and use it to put back into the Auto Invest platform. So this is how you do the Auto Invest. Number 9 is the Ethereum 2.0 staking. This is staking Ethereum in Ethereum 2.0 to earn up to 5.2% APR. Your stake cannot be redeemed during the first phase. It may take more than 2 years for it to be redeemed. Now, the Binance tokenized ETH, which is called the BET, that is the BETH, is the only proof to show that you are staking Ethereum on Binance. You can redeem this when it's time to redeem it at a ratio of 1:1. Now, to get to this, it's the same thing on the Binance platform. You go to Earn, then you will see Ethereum 2.0. Then you can perform your action here. Now, number 10, this is where I made over 28 million Naira on Binance. This is a Binance referral program. Let me show you what I mean. You can see that I've earned 1.8 BTC from the Binance referral program. Let's do some calculations. So if I bring my calculator and calculate 1.8 BTC times the price is $24,000 as of today, $43,200. If you multiply it by exchange rates, about 700, but let me use 650, you see that this is $28,080,000. See, this is what I've earned from the Binance referral program. But guys, see, look at this. If you look at a Binance top referral, the person in the top referral earned 10 BTC today. Today alone, 10 BTC, 10.9 BTC. You can see that. What Binance does is this. They take a transaction fee between 0.1% to 0.075% from those trading on Binance, depending on what they are paying with. If it happens that a trader trading on Binance is referred by you, Binance will not take the whole 0.1% fee to themselves. They will give you a part of it every time. The trader, however, have to sign up with your Binance referral link for this to happen. This is how I made it over 28 million Naira on Binance so far. The question you might be asking now is this: how do I get people to sign up on Binance and trade? Let me start with what you are doing currently, passively. How many times have you told a friend or a family member to open a Binance account without giving them your referral link to do so? If you've been doing that, don't do it again. You are just giving Binance free money. Always use your referral link. If you now want to do it like a professional, this is what you do. Learn how to use the Binance platform, how to use its products and services, how to trade and all that. Then teach people how to use Binance and drop your referral link for them to sign up with. You can do this by organizing a free class, and to join, the criteria should be that they use your Binance referral link to create a Binance account. 2, you can make a YouTube video tutorial on how to use Binance and its products, then give them your link. 3, you can create a free account on Medium and write a review about Binance. Anyone can do this. There's a lot you can do. You can use Google Keyword Planner to research what people are searching for with regards to Binance, so you know the specific content to create around Binance that will attract people. If you want to know how to trade, I created a free course on how to trade. Go to ctmastery.com and sign up for free to start acquiring this skill. Just make sure that you use my link to sign up. The link is in the description box below. But if you already have a Binance account, no problem, just go to the link, ctmastery.com, sign up and learn. Guys, I believe I've given you so much value in this video. What you should do now before any other thing is to click on the like button. When you do so, I get to know that you like this sort of content and I create more content like this. Subscribe to the channel if you have not, and encourage others to do so by sharing. I'm doing a massive giveaway when I get to 100,000 subscribers. So let me get there quick. Also, pin down the bell icon so you don't miss content like this. You can also connect with me on Twitter at Jude Umeano, and I will see you in the next video.